Guys, today we are talking about Bitcoin on shorter time frames, but of course, I also want to focus on what's going on the longer time frames because we have two charts I want to update you on, which you need to pay attention to right now if you're holding any crypto at all. So welcome back everybody. My name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And let's get straight into it, guys. So let's look at the situation on the 4-hourly time frame first. So after having that rejection from my red line up here, failing to sustain price action above it, we have had a decent rejection. We tried to be supported here on the edge of the orange box. So we got supported right here, had a little bit of a bounce, but ultimately going down again. Now, what you're seeing here is a couple of bear flags. So we draw up like this, we consolidate in a bear flag like this, and we're seeing the same thing right here, a little bit of consolidation. So I'm not ruling out some more downside for Bitcoin, but I'm going to talk about my strategy here in just a little bit. But this is how it's looking on the 4-hourly time frame, guys. If we go to the weekly time frame, you know that we have 2 days left. We have Saturday, Sunday, and if we close this candle like this, of course, we're still below the downward sloping line, so no update there. But we did get rejected of the 21 EMA. So this is why I was telling you when we were approaching this level that we need to be aware of the 21 EMA here on the weekly time frame. We need to break above that level because this is strong resistance for Bitcoin, and this was also in the vicinity of the red line here on the 4-hourly time frame. In fact, the downward sloping or the 21 EMA here on the weekly was exactly at the point in which we were rejected right here. So of course, these are the levels we need to pay attention to. I was cautious as we were, breaking towards the blue line here, and I am still cautious because we're still below the red line here as well. So on the daily time frame, we do have a little bit of a situation as well because we have broken down from this support level right here of this channel. So in fact, we have not only broken down, we have also retested this. So we have one daily close below this. We have one daily open below this red line. So this one right here. So now let's see if we can have a rally back into it, or if this is just going to be a retest. And then from this point, we're going to see some more continuation to the downside. That's of course something we need to consider. Now, when it comes to Bitcoin, we need to talk about the long term because, as you know, where am I going to? In fact, let's talk about my general strategy. I am accumulating more Bitcoin at these levels. Now, I'm not going in hard. I'm not doing short-term trades. What I'm doing is I'm accumulating Bitcoin, and I am going to accumulate a trading position as well. But so far, I'm accumulating to my HODL bag. But as we continue to trend, little bit lower here, I know that we have this massive support sloping upwards. So I know that very soon we are going to have this support. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter into a trade. I'm going to give you the exact buy-in levels tomorrow, guys. I'm going to give you those exact buy-in levels tomorrow. But for now, just know this, that the closer we get to this red line, which is currently at $35,000, $36,000, I am going to enter into a trading position. I'm going to build it with higher bids as we are approaching this. I will talk all about this in detail tomorrow, guys, but just for now, just know that I am getting into a position here. And also, we do have this chart. So this is the trading shot chart. And I talked about this previously as well. You have the US dollar index at the bottom and you have the Bitcoin price at the top. You can see that every time we have gone into this blue rectangle up here on the dollar index, that has usually led into a massive run for Bitcoin. You can see it right here. Boom. We went into it right here as well. Massive upside for Bitcoin, and now we are approaching this. So the US dollar is being strengthened, and let's see about this, guys. Are we going to see the same kind of bullish action once we get into this blue line? And this would also, of course, be completely in line with us trending a little bit lower here as the dollar index is getting stronger, and then having a massive bull run. And that is where I want to have my position already loaded and ready to see all those gains. As I said, I will explain all of this in detail tomorrow. I'm going to use Femex for this particular trade, so if you want to do something similar, not financial advice, but if you want to jump into a trade, you are able to claim $3,500 over on Femex, so make sure to use this link if you want to trade and get this bonus. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one.